Hello my fashion friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Osei Prather here, your style professor, teaching you how to dress your life successful. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I partnered with Dianu. They are an African print clothing company. I'm super excited because I have worked with them in the past and I was so grateful that they wanted to work with me again. So I have a quick little haul for you showing you guys some really cool African print clothing. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so the first dress I have to show you is this one right here. This is a spaghetti strap dress with a sweetheart neckline, and it kind of flares out towards the bodice part here, and then down it kind of flares out. I really like this dress because of the color scheme. I love the orange, the blues, and the blacks. I think it's very beautiful against my skin tone, and so that's why I really like it. The material is that Ankara material that is super durable. It's very comfortable as well. It's not itchy. It just feels really cool to the touch, and it's just a really nice flowy dress. You can't really see much here, but I'm gonna have the cutaway try on portion for you guys to get the full effect of what the dress looks like. But along the waist, it has kind of an elasticated waist here, so it's very comfortable. You can eat all you want to, and you don't have to be afraid of sucking in or feeling like the dress is too tight for you. So I really like that. And then the straps here are spaghetti strap, like I said, except for these are ties. So you can tie it as tight as you want to or as loose as you want to. So you can make it as high or as low cut as you want to. This is in a size small that I got, just for size reference. I'm 5'6". I weigh 147 pounds. I've lost 3 pounds. So just in case you wanted a size reference, I'm 5'6", 147 pounds. But yeah, I think it's a super cool dress, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. I know we're kind of getting more into the warm or the cooler months now, but a really cool thing you can do with this dress is you can layer it with maybe a long sleeve kind of light knit sweater just to have that layered effect and more coverage for the colder months. Or you can simply pair this with a nice cropped moto jacket or a blazer or a cardigan, anything to give you that additional warmth that you need. This dress also has pockets, so that's a really good feature as well. Y'all know we love pockets. We can put our hands in there, our phones in there, so we can be hands-free when we're wearing this dress. But overall, it's just a really cute dress. I like it a lot, and the material quality is great. I can feel it's a really substantial material, so it's just a really pretty dress. So like I said before, I've partnered with Dianu in the past. The last video that I did was during the Black Panther premiere. You can go check that video out if you want to. I will link it down below in the description box, because the items that I have in that video I checked, and some of them are still available if you wanted to go purchase those for yourself. But the dress in that video was very similar to this next one that I'm going to show you. This dress here is super cute. It is bodycon. You guys know bodycon is my jam. I really love this print. I think it's very unique. It's stylish, and although it's quite busy, I still feel like it's easy to pull off. It's not so busy that you can't really pull it off. As you'll see, I even paired it with another print on my feet, so it's a really cool way to mix prints as well. And actually on Instagram, I saw Monique. Y'all know Monique? Hey, my loves. She was wearing this dress too. And so it looked really good on her. And so I knew that once I got it in my hands, it would look really good on me too. So Monique was wearing this dress. I'm wearing this dress. I think it's a super flattering dress. The neckline is pretty high, so it's really conservative, but at the same time, you kind of have this cutout detail here that shows a little bit of your cleavage. I don't have a lot going on up here, so it's still very conservative for me. But if you had a larger bust, you just might want to be a little bit careful with that kind of open cutout part right there. This dress, it does not have any pockets, but it does have the zipper at the back. It's a hidden zipper, and then you just step right into it. This dress is in a size small as well. There is tons of stretch in this dress, tons and tons of stretch. So just in case you were worried about that, it's really forgiving. So it's a really beautiful dress. I love the color scheme with the blues, the yellows, whites, and red. It's just super cute and very flattering. It's like a simple design in the sense that it's bodycon, but at the same time it has a lot of personality because of the printed detail. So I thought that was really flattering, and I really like this dress a lot. Okay, so before I show you guys my last item, I wanted to show you the items that I got previously in the other video that I was talking about. That was the Black Panther premiere video, so go ahead and check that one out. But I wanted to show you the items from that video. So one of them was this dress right here. It is a really nice bodycon dress with sleeves. This dress has a lot of stretch and it has some pockets here in the front. And then this skirt right here is a midi skirt. It's high-waisted. It goes past my knees. It's very flattering. Go ahead and check out that video for a more detailed explanation on these two pieces, but I wanted to show them to you just so you guys can have a good idea. The last time that I checked, they were still on the website, so if this is something that interests you, definitely go ahead and check out my video as well as their website to see if these are still available. Alright, and last but not least is this dress that I'm wearing right here. You can't really see the full effect, but you'll definitely see it in the cutaway portions in this video. But this dress here is super cute. It goes all the way down to the floor. It's very flattering on me. I especially love the neckline. It has a halter neckline. I think it's very flattering against my shoulders and just my upper body. I think it's very flattering on me, and I think it would be very flattering on many different body types as well. The colors fit my skin tone very nicely. It's kind of a like a turquoise, a deep turquoise color with all these other printed designs on it. I think it's so beautiful. It has a tie on the waist part right here. Right now it's tied at the back, but you'll see in the cutaways that you can tie it many different ways, like in the middle, on each side. You can also tie it on in the back, so it's very versatile in that regard as well. It's very flowy. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. It's really flowy, and it also has pockets, so that's also a good thing to have pockets for hands-free. You can put your cell phone in it just to you know, have some compartments here for your lip gloss or your cell phone, your wallet, things like that. This dress is like, I think it's my favorite dress out of this haul. This is in a size small as well. I think that this dress might be sold out, but I spoke with them and they said they were going to be bringing this dress back in a couple of weeks, I think, just in time for fall. So I think you should definitely snatch it up. It's that same Ankara material that's really cool to the touch, and it's it just feels really like comfortable. It just feels like you're not really wearing anything, especially the other dress that I had, this orange dress right here. When I wore it, because it kind of flares out, it really, the material is not really touching your body, so it's really freeing. It's like you don't feel anything. It's super freeing. Same thing with this dress too. So it's just all around a really cute dress. I'm so happy that it was still available in my size, and it goes all the way down to the ground. And I'm not wearing any heels or anything in the cutaway portion, so I'm 5'6", like I said, and it goes all the way to the ground on me with no heels on. I don't even have anything on my feet. So if you're shorter than me, you could get away with wearing some heels and it's still reaching the ground. If you're taller than me, you could still wear heels, but just know that it wouldn't reach all the way to the ground. But also it depends on the size as well, because normally when you go up in size, that's where you get more material and that's where you kind of get more length. So the larger sizes, you're definitely going to get more length as well. So just keep that into consideration. This is a size small and it goes all the way to the ground. I'm sure if I got like a medium or a large, you know, it's going to reach way past my feet. So just keep that in mind. I just think it's super cool because I'm Nigerian, you know what I mean? It's a culture for me. It's not a trend. It's a lifestyle for me. Like, I know a lot of these pieces are trending right now. For me, it's a lifestyle. That's my culture. So I'm just embracing my culture more. So I just think it's super cute, and I just cannot wait to wear this dress. Like, it's beautiful. Like, it looks even 10 times more beautiful in person. So I would definitely recommend checking out any of these pieces that I showed you from this video. Alright, you guys, well, that does it for this video. Don't forget to check the description box. I have tons of information on there. I've also gone ahead and linked the previous video on the other items that I showed you in case you're interested in hearing about those as well. I'm going to have links, sizing, prices, everything down below in the description box, so go ahead and reference that if you have any questions. But if you have any additional questions for me personally or about these items, just go ahead and ask me in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. I'm very active in the comments, so go ahead and comment down below any of your questions. I'll be sure to answer them for you. But that's going to be it for this video, though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you found that you did enjoy this video, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button for me. Come on and join my fashion family. I do a lot of fashion and styling videos on this channel, very similar to this one, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button for me. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please come back in a timely fashion.